Namaste friends, my name is Nisha and in this video we will learn how to solve absolute value equations. So here given mod or absolute value 2x minus 5 equal 3. So by the definition of absolute value, this is one is 2x minus 5 equal 3 or can be possible 2x minus 5 equal minus 3. So this one we take one time positive and other time negative. Okay, 2x minus 5 right as it is. So because here absolute value can be negative or positive, so this is positive 3 or negative 3. So here we can solve just like a linear equation, and here we can add both side 5 and here 2x equal, this is cancel and this is 8. Now here 2 multiply with x, so both side divide by 2, so we get x equal 4. Okay, and here also add both side 5, so this is cancel and 2x equal minus 3 plus 5, different sign subtraction and take larger number sign, it means positive. Now we can here get rid of 2, so this is 2 cancelled by 2, so x equal 2 divided by 2 1. So we have two solutions. Solutions are x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 1. So these are very simple questions. Just remember one time right hand side positive and second time negative. This is the way how to solve absolute value equations. Okay, if you have any doubt, please email me, and if you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.